On the other hand, they're actually kind of trying to have more conversations with LLMs and, basically typing in fairly complex queries that need an answer that is beyond just a keyword, right? So we've all seen our behaviors change over the past 2 years. Like we used to just Google it, and now we chat it. Like we ask ChatGPT a complex query, not
Right.
just I need product A, B, or C. So, in order to prepare listings for this era of conversational e-commerce, you have to really, really um, plan out your content strategy. You can't just throw up a listing. You can't just have the best, let's say, keyword research tools and expect to have a stellar listing. It's got to be kind of multi-pronged approach and keeping the audience in mind rather than just an algorithm. Because previously we used to all write for A9, which is like the Amazon algorithm for search visibility or searchability. And now we have Cosmo, which powers Rufus.
Right.
And so we had to really dig ourselves into, that whole Rufus research and try to figure out what Rufus was looking for, like what signals is Rufus looking for in order to recommend products to customers, right? And so Rufus gets to be the kind of new gatekeeper, if you will, and this gatekeeper needs to be trained. And the thing is, training this gatekeeper is not an overnight task. It requires like actual signals. It requires convincing and compelling listings that people actually engage with and actually convert, and any negative signals are picked up as well as any positive signals. So your negative reviews, well, they're going to be in your face all the time because you have that history, and so Rufus is going to just amplify that. Even if you have one negative review, it's going to show up in that Rufus Q&A prompt box. So the transition that we went through as an agency kind of reflects the need of the hour and what people need at this time with their listings. And so I'm pretty happy with how we've integrated both these services because they are kind of complementary, and they uh, basically stand for a flywheel effect that we can control end to end, and that's the reason for this shift.
Yeah.